Right, I've got my CNC machines all set up nicely. Let's see it. It's on a non-slip mat. So we go round to the computer. Let's have a look at the monitor. Now, on the monitor here, as you can see, it says port open. Go over to this side, click on settings. Okay, now refresh the ports, drop down, select port 6, which is the one we're on. 115200 is the board, and then go OK, go back up to here, and it still says port opened, where it should be saying port idle. Now with it port opened, if I go down to power up the router, nothing happens, as you can see, because it's port opened and not idle. So nothing else works. Can't raise it, can't lower it, nothing, absolutely nothing. It just will not pick up that port idle. So there you go. That's what I'm getting all the time. This is updated software. It's the latest software. So once again, settings, port 6, COM 6, and then down here to OK it, back up to here, nothing, it just says port opened. It won't work.